Good morning children. In this class we will learn how to keep our surroundings or world clean. We must keep our surroundings neat and clean children. Every time we should take care that we should not litter the stuff here and there. Okay? Understood? And the waste or the garbage should not be thrown everywhere. Understood? The garbage should be always thrown in a where? Dustbin. Okay? Wet waste should be thrown in the wet bins. And the dry waste should be thrown in the dry bins. And next what else? We should use only the paper or cloth bags. Understood children? We should use only the paper or cloth bags. We should never use the polythene bags. See here, this is the polythene bag. Okay, we should never use the polythene bags. We should use the cloth or paper bags, because polythene bags makes our environment very unhealthy. Okay, so we should use only the cloth or paper bags. Never use the polythene bags children. Understood? And next, water a tree, as the plants or trees are very good friends for us, isn't it? What does the plant gives us children? They give us first fresh air, makes the environment very clean. Yes, fresh air we will breathe. How? Because of the plants. Yes, and what else the plants will give us, trees will give us? They give us fruits and they give us vegetables and also the shade for us. So plant more and more trees. Okay, and also don't forget to water a tree or plant. Understood children? So these are the things. Now we will see your textbook children. This is your world around me and the page number is 69. Okay. See here children, this is the page number 69. Okay. Keep our world clean. Tick all the things we should do to keep our land clean and safe. See, what is the first one children? Cut a tree. Cut a tree is a good thing that we should do? No. So it's a cross mark. Okay. Now use the polythene bags. What we have learned, we should never use the polythene bags, isn't it? Because polythene bags makes our environment unhealthy. So we should use only what kind of bags children? Paper or cloth bags. So it's a wrong thing. So cross it. Now here, throw the garbage in a dustbin. Okay, what we have learned? We should throw garbage only in the dustbin. It's a good thing, correct thing. So it's a tick mark. Okay. Now, use cloth bags. Yes, it's correct. So, correct, tick mark. Throw the garbage on the road. What we have learned? We should throw garbage only in the dustbin, isn't it? So, throwing here on the garbage on the road is a wrong thing. So, it's a cross mark. Understood children? Now here, water a tree. It's a good thing because trees gives us shade, fruits, vegetables, isn't it? So it's a correct tick mark. Now see here, we need clean air and water too. Let's learn about some habits to help our world. See here, what the boy was doing here, always close the taps. In the story we have learned, isn't it, baby bear? What we have learned after usage, what we should do, we should close the taps, isn't it? So that the water will not get waste. We are saving the water, isn't it? Now here, do not burn the polythene. If you burn the plastic, what will happen, children? The toxins, which means harmful gases, will be released from this, which will spoil the humans' health. Not only humans, any living things' health will get spoiled. Okay, so it's a wrong. And here, collect the rainwater. Collection of the rainwater can be used for the what purpose? Planting. Okay, other purposes are cooking and household activities. Next, here, use the public transport. Why we should use public transport, not private transport? Because here we can reduce the pollution, that is air pollution. Okay, and we can save the money and also reduces the traffic congestion. Okay, children, please go through this page, children, once. Okay, thank you.